Yuan Chang, over the past 30 years, we have been adhering to the green and pollution-free, deepen the cultivation in the environmental protection industry, contribute to the Earth's environmental protection and ecology. Yuan Chang adheres to technology-oriented, quality-first, and provides first-class service, is one of the global environmental protection equipment leaders and professional manufacturers. 1981, established Hongxiang Industry. 1994, restructured to Yuan Chang. 2002, expansion of foreign environmental protection markets. 2007, Taichung Port new factory completed. Obtained ISO certificate and CE safety certification one after another. So far, various products have won many patents in Germany, the United States, China, and Taiwan. The total sales volume in 2019 is more than 5,000 units, and the machines are spread across 5 continents. The products have received high reputation and evaluation. Yuan Chang's professional R&D team, senior R&D personnel, accumulated more than 30 years of professional experience in the industry. Independent research and development with leading technology. In recent years, we have invested more in the development of new equipment, which is deeply supported and affirmed by customers. A small number of sample testing services can accurately select the applicable model. Let customers' problems be solved quickly and correctly. Automated mechanical production not only controls quality and stability, but also pursues the most efficient operation method. Achieve quality first, fast delivery. The strict inspection system in the process controls the quality and training of employees' quality concepts, provides the best products, never compromises on quality, and never discounts the commitments of customers. Provide wastewater treatment equipment whole plant supply, one-stop solution to customer equipment needs, from planning, design, delivery, commissioning, sales and service for a full range and the most comprehensive services. Yuan Chang upholds the business philosophy of quality first, keep improving excellence, sustainable operation. Provide high efficiency, high quality environmental protection machinery and equipment. With the best machinery and services, we will continue to inherit the concept of green pollution-free. Turn sewage into clean springs, turn sludge into resources, and turn garbage into gold. Reference to general wastewater treatment process and the use of Yuan Chang products. Automatic bar screen. Solid and liquid separating machine. Oil and water separation equipment. High efficiency pressurized flotation, air flotation equipment. Desander, sand-water separator. Sludge thickener. Automatic dissolving machine for powder dissolution. Filter belt type sludge dewatering machine. Single plate type, membrane type filter press, fully automatic, filter cloth automatic walking type, series, fully automatic startup, dewatering, discharging, filter cloth cleaning, free of manual operation, screw press. Multi-ring screw type sludge dewatering equipment. Sludge drying equipment. Precision filter equipment. Microfine sieve filter. Fully automatic pressured sand bed filter and automatic continuous flow sand bed filtering equipment. Evaporation reduction equipment for metal waste liquid and cutting waste liquid. Complete set of processing equipment for organic fertilizer from kitchen waste, fruit and vegetable waste, and poultry manure or biogas power generation. Green energy and other related product series. Processing equipment in various industrial processes. Yuan Chang, based on Taiwan and look forward the world, is the most trusted environmental protection equipment and related green energy products.